Trash delay showing tomatilla, and in the Maryland la, Nala Tawsum Yuri. Tawsum the Koran to Lumbagi, Tomo Maimbe, Luxu to Zokola, this in the Shijari, and number two, draw you wherever down. Tony, adding in the Zoe animated Silverman to China. Tawo Durak is my youngest nephew. He lives in Maryland since
2008.
2008.
So 12 years.
And also we've been knowing each other 12 years. We met at New York City.
New York City, what?
Farmers Market, 14 Union Square. My sister bought your and your current both of you there. Koda ko pinja itinga ko pinja chia de ko rang chia chi gyo re tan chetan ko pinja sum yor wasum na ni ko dang ko ge gangma de nga thuga le New York City nge simo tile wa ani kunzo longba de kawani me de nge jela de shi jagor wa ani kunzo longba la shingi trade de peju dang do. So what you using for this?
All right.
In your country?
In our country, the country is Micronesia. But you use this to break down breadfruit, or mostly breadfruit. It's
okay. Ale. Kunzu lungba Micronesia se ate chitang Australia ke sapra del tawa na tiga north choche tene Japan ne ma chena south te paru tana island je sare chitang ke sapra zamling ke sapra na ta na shidan thong ma thoya tene do ena Micronesia le ate ya buji tawa na thong tu re ro ani ti lungba ke mixe ke shela kar dus na breadfruit si do breadfruit oti shingto de shingdong gan ko ne ani dig to bia pe ji res to gi res
like this.
Boom.
Boom.
Make a piece.
Boom. They go into like 4 pieces, then you put it.
Bake them.
Like you bake them. You can bake them in the oven, or in Micronesia they made like an underground oven, like it makes with hot rock. Then you just cook it for like over an hour.
Ani breadfruit de kunzo ge bake che pen dosu ge met de tang tin nang lo la ani zhe go do gane lo ma de chimbo de kap che zhe de zo ta do ga ni yal de ni. Then you what do you do with this?
This one. You use the breadfruit when they're soft. You use it to smash. The breadfruit, and you can make like a
mashed potato.
Yeah, like a mashed potato.
Oh, the mashed potato does breadfruit de men na zhe sa do ga ni de do chine ma zap che ani che dang ge YouTube nang lo Micronesia ke traditional food. If you search, you can find out on YouTube. It's a really interesting thing. I really want to go one day Micronesia with my nephew or any of them. It's really fun. It's more feel like a nature. It's all nature. It's not like artificial like in New York City, you know. It's a really interesting thing. I saw yesterday on WeChat how to make a food, Micronesian traditional food. So he showed me yesterday.
Yeah, you can boil the bread.
Coconut milk.
Yeah, and then you can mix it with coconut milk, sugar, any kind, just to recipe.
Thank you, Dre. Explain me everything. So something new for our Tibetan people, you know, so they can learn.
Right, you're counting.
Sometimes world is too big, sometimes world is too small, you know. Sometimes we don't know. There are so many hiding, interesting things around the world.
Look how they what you call it? Like,
they also use this.
Oh, they're curving. Oh,
yeah.
See
that?
I think this
They also use it during war for fighting.
Like a sword. You can use it too.
아니 내가 건조게 초과 잡대 양된데 배주 단계 열시기도 제당 건조 농가도 타고 농가체 챙김하게 몇 대당 찍봤던데 지금 대교에서 와 어떤 데에서 신기 티 배주 땅야당 신기 잘라 배주 땅야당 신기 동배 배주 땅야당 참마치 락바게 쇠해주 잘라 천천 배주 땅 되는 게 아니 수보라 돌로양 건조게 가시 로마한테 교회된 게 단다양 요리시기도 와 어떤 데에서 되네티 단다 아메리카게 망체 니바가 갑라 아니 콘조사데 베주 땅도 가르스나 자판 라마 잡라 아니 티디 아리를 베주 쳔보 존에 티니는 송다 아리게 사자디 나고 잡샤죠 당 딜롱발라 아니 your country money is all dollar American dollar the 베주 당기 요스기도
we're on the US
and also you can come to America with the no visa right
no visa
what visa government 아리를 수 용이야 파드야 좀 상마 아리 코란도 온 치디도 아니 남주 때라 찍마시요 말했어도 round trip is going to cost like $2,500 남주 찍마시면도 되게 디스 공청부터 레샤 아니 ngala chaw sumi yore chidang dela chaw ni bade te Karen come here
Yeah.
and he's my youngest nephew nge chaw jinga tere I mean sorry not youngest middle one Karen ko ngala togala foreign unions ka new york ko nyam dola yongre ngani konzo ni nyam do yongre ta denge par
This is
shago
also some of the trees. This is also made of breadfruit tree. Same thing.
Oh.
And they can use it for taro to mash anything you want to mash to cook or to make some spices. You can use it as a.
Dishing the zoya ge chala te korang also tanda
Use it
dire
for make
breadfruit se jorwa shingto korang yosa ge shingdong te ge shing te ge zure se pentapudwa
And back in the days, they used it as a
like for fighting on also
during war. They can use
kill people
but nowadays
oh shit
modern days they use it for cutting fruits. Any
Oh.
fruit that is soft.
I see okay thank you very much this spoke ye chaw chishu de da ko
The big guy.
big my nephew biggest nephew
Show you yours.
no don't show
tattoo,
this
show the tattoo.
Don't show tattoo. Tibetan don't like tattoo.
I will.
Yeah. But it's okay. Now it's modern, but we don't complain. But we don't really interesting. It's about religions. So, ko ta changsa jamne pugu chenchung ji che saire, pugu chenchung, pomo chenchung de ni jamo ji che saire de dwa. Hello. You want to say hi to here? Say hi. Give a French kiss. Good girl. Thank you.
What do you want to know?
Ani ko ngani when we met the first time? When we met first time? Where we met New York City, right? In 2009, right? They met me 2008, then you met me 2009, 8 and 9. Oh. Tanda konta sama Maryland de digyo, Maryland la digyo re. De ngege chawo my oldest nephew.
Yeah, Amanda.
No, Chen.
I know.
Mo Chen.
Just kidding.
Oh, that thing is so good. Na tattoo shit do. Tattoo the design de koran rang chi la so. Ani Delhi usually ge de jukba do do. De koran so longba Micronesian ge yang mix ge tomo mai ba ge traditional look so je sha. Ani de jukba de let me see. Okay, now you explain about this. What is you using for
This is called a love stick.
love stick?
Yeah, so many years ago, before missionary or before anything comes to the island,
Oh, okay.
when they still, everything was the culture is very strong.
Mm-hmm.
But how we live is big family, yeah. Like everybody live in house, so it's big family live in one place.
Mm-hmm. I see. Okay.
It's gotta
So-
take them around the neighborhood.
Mm-hmm.
So it's very disrespectful for like if you have girlfriend or you have to talk to the sisters or the cousins of your the guys, so they do things like secret,
Oh, it's a respect.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
Okay.
out of respect they do it secretly
Yes,
instead of
yes.
dad see or brother see.
Yes.
So to get to talk to girl, you show them what you have, like they call the love stick. So you show them like the pattern and everything,
Mm-hmm.
and then they will tell you that they're gonna meet you like the second house or the second, because before the house is like thatch, it's like only grass they weave, and they're like on the. It's not concrete,
Right.
so it's easy to push it in, and
Okay, so she can feel it.
yeah, she feels you. She cut the air, and then she's gonna pull. It's gonna pull,
Oh, okay.
and then that's how they know.
Oh, okay.
So when they pull and they get it,
Mm-hmm.
they will count. If it's you or somebody else. If they want you or they know it's you, they grab it,
Oh.
and then they come around.
Oh, okay. I see.
But if no, They don't grab you or they don't-
다데 콘조게 롱발랑 테네 제당 낭미 망고 시우도 콘조 코란츠 낭미 빈자 카체스도세. How many brother sister sibling you said you have? 12.
yeah,
Your same mother. Then after the first wife got 3.
yeah, I have the
So 15 altogether, right?
yeah.
Tatido 콘조 바게
But we
라.
don't this
Yeah.
we don't use it.
I know.
Yeah.
아니 콘조 롱발라 다 지당게 낭미 된조 빼 망고래도 왔더니 콘조게 록소에 된데래자 부tunzo karso kore changsa majang hela gaw digdu kan sosogi jupa dende chik lob stick la ne konzo ki kin do wa kin do de ningong pomo de ta de su kande yeme sobda de kande yeme mik de konzo la lakbat tham chu fil chi chu dende chik do wa ani chen la konzo kale ta chik gaw de chala ro du gane ani konzo ge khangba de tene cha khangba dang ta dende wa tende dogane ani te paru ne khale dende chi ya chuk ne ani ko pomo de la tende chi de ani pomo de la ba cham rang ge ningo thuk ju phud re do men tu ta ne te gi sobda da shape tu ha ko wa sar ba ani te ha ko de pomo de ba yo ba ina ani ju ba de ya le do res morang ge ya le ne ani morang kale kwisim sin yong che ani ko tu go chi ge sar ba ta tende dogane na mi shamba tu 하마 와치네 다치 크리스마스 가오치야 베주나야 레시다 디주바 럽스틱 세제레샤 디콘조 투모 마인바게 traditional penning jamoto interesting. It's really interesting.
It is
I
crazy.
like it.
But then before the missionary and everything, so it's kind of now they start building technology, change everything, or
Right, sure.
So
Now all over world is changing. So
yeah,
now,
everybody open up to the world. So
you know what? One of my friend, he is the professor of Columbia University. Long time ago, he said during the work at the farmers market, he said if whole world is turned to like wearing like shirts and jeans, then not gonna fun anymore because everywhere you go is same.
yeah,
So this kind of things like different style, traditional, different cultures,
yeah.
still there. It's more fun. It's more interesting thing to see.
Right.
So every world is same, like it's more fun. He said, I get it. It's really true. That's why culture and whatever. It's very important. It's really
Yeah.
good things. And the Tibetan has also
So
different.
this is from coconut tree.
Oh yeah.
Coconut palm tree.
Oh, I see.
So you see how they look.
Mm-hmm.
It's from coconut tree.
안치다 부창마게 데 섭다 데 카카카가 소글세 다딜라 제니 세숨도 와데레네 카실라 찌기유죠 카실라 시스레유죠 다디 카가수도 부모데게 필친 하고도 와 안데 주발라 코랑라 섭다 테스치 만다 부창마 주바 찌키 마르스 아니 부모데게 나고나라 체나 데네 콘도 필친 ngaran ningung 나와도서 푸데 레도 민도 따엔 하코네 아니 신이 연구해서라. So that's all about. Thank you very much. All right. Any numbers of drawing whatever that's Micronesian style or culture or whatever. Everything is that.
Yeah.
If you wanna know more about Micronesia, then go to YouTube. There's so many things
Yeah.
on YouTube.
You learn
Right.
from YouTube.
Voilà, so